Hi guys, it's Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 5. In this lesson, we're talking about being able to make a new shape from composite shapes or mini shapes. So, we used tangrams for this day. In the tangrams, there's two big triangles. This one, this triangle, and this triangle. Then there's also a medium triangle, which is right here, and a small triangle and a small triangle. A square, and there's also a new shape. This shape is called a parallelogram. This right here is the parallelogram. Only the opposite sides are equal here. One pair is longer than the other, and one pair is shorter. So, a rhombus is a special type of parallelogram. So whenever during this lesson we used some of these shapes to be able to make different shapes. And as you can tell, if you use all of these shapes together, it makes a square. So that is what we did for this day. And also, just like the day prior for Lesson 4, you have to make sure that whenever you are tracing your shape, that you are holding it down with the hand that you are not using, that you're not writing with, to where you can trace with the hand that you do write with. And then take off one at a time and kind of trace where that shape was. Alright guys, that's it for this video.